How to create a Gmail account on mobile in 2024. To create a Gmail account on mobile, simply open up the Gmail app. So on your Android or iPhone, open the Gmail app. If you don't have the app, you can simply download and install it from the Google Play Store or Apple Store. So once you're on your app, so what you can do, we're going to create an account here. So you can skip the intro bits here and you can click on this take me to Gmail option. So you can click on it, or you can also tap on add an email address. So you can click on take me to Gmail, and then what you're going to do, you're going to hit on add an email address. Okay, so here what we're going to do, you're going to select Google from the list because we're going to create a Gmail. And then now what's going to do, it's going to ask you for your personal details. Okay, so type in your email address, so whatever your email address that you want to create, so just type that in. Okay, so you can also use your Google account, the email address that you use for your Google account as well, so you can just do that. Okay, hit on create account. Okay, so under here choose if it's for your personal use or your child or work or business. So for example here I will just use my personal use, create it, and then type in your first name, so just give a name for your account, so just do that. Hit on next, and you can give your surname, so just plug in your details, and then you plug in your date of birth and gender details as well. Once you're done, hit on next, and then it's going to ask you to create a Gmail address for you. So you just create a specific Gmail address, a mail address that you want to use, so you can just create that. So once done, hit on next. So just choose one that's unique. Okay, so it looks like it's taken. Let's try this if it's taken. Okay, this is also taken, so bad luck. Let me try something else. All right, so and then next is, once you've created a username, now create a strong password. Once you're done, tap on next. So next, you're going to verify with your phone number, so you can add a phone number to your account, or if you don't want, you can simply hit on skip. And once that's done, you just have to review your account. So that's my email address and everything. And once you're done, all you have to do is just finish up the setup, hit on next, and then you're going to agree with the privacy terms and conditions, hit on I agree. And once that's done, you're almost done finishing up this setup. So this will take just a little more moment, and then that's it, your Google Mail is being set up. And then all you have to do is hit on accept, and then that should be done, and it's just the final bit of checking going on. And all right, so once added, that's it. You can see that now on your Gmail your account appears here. So all you have to do is simply click on it and select take me to Gmail, and then this will take you to the Gmail. And that's pretty much it. There you go, it's all done. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.